Hello friends, today we're at 5th Street Boat Ramp in Roanoke, North Carolina. I'm making these boat ramps videos because when I came to the area I had no clue to where the boat ramps were or how much of a draft was needed to put my boat in. Well, ironically, a guy that owned a boat dealership in Norfolk, Virginia, I was talking to him about coming down here, and he said, go to 5th Street Boat Ramp. The boat you have can get into that lake at that location, but beware at high water level, because the lake go up and down as Dominion Power let water into the Roanoke River at the dam. At low water level, you can see the stumps and things out in the lake. So he said, make sure you stay close to the shoreline when you're riding around in the lake, if your boat is not a shallow boat. But I had a friend of mine, he had a John boat, and he went out into this lake and he ran up on some rocks and tore his propeller off. So you got to be very careful. As you can see today, it's a high water level day on the lake. But the lake is also known for its fishing, exceptionally striped bass fishing in the fall, and generally good fishing all season long. There's a variety of species. It's a good choice for those who like to avoid crowds. But on the weekends, in the summer, this ramp can get busy like most boat ramps can. But there are day use areas on the Roanoke Lake and the campgrounds with RV spaces nearby. So come, if you like, to fish at the Roanoke Lake for big stripers and catfish. I've caught some good sized catfish out of here, and I've seen one or two guys catch catfish one was 75 pounds. And I have another friend that lives right in front of the boat ramp. You could see his house up on the hill looking up at the boat ramp in the direction of those houses. He have a bass boat, and he caught catfish out there, almost sunk his boat. So he cut the line and let it go. So welcome to the channel. If you like what I'm telling you about boat ramps, don't hesitate to subscribe so I can keep you updated. And you can also like it and the video, as well as share it with other people. We're trying to help people with some good information, because I didn't get any when I first came out this way. So we're trying to share what we're learning along the way. Stick with me, friends. Hit that like button and share. All right, stay safe on the water. Don't forget to wear your safety equipment, and be courteous toward other boaters that's anchored. Don't go by them flying, you could cause injury to them. Peace out.